is taking center stage at the Imagination Station. Carl Nelson from the Imagination Station and Edith Kippenhan from the University of Toledo are here now with a couple of experiments for what is National Chemistry Week. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Morning. We are having fun with chemistry this week, and
You
also
have fun. Oh, you have fun every single
we
week,
do.
but specifically chemistry this week.
Really fun stuff. All this week and through Saturday, we've got all sorts of experiments that we're doing relating to chemistry. And what is the topic this year for
Our health, our future.
Our health, our future.
Okay, so we're going to tie some of these experiments into that, okay?
Into health, exactly.
What's the idea behind the experiment that we're going to be conducting today?
We're talking about carbon dioxide. We're going to see which of us can blow more carbon dioxide out of our mouths here.
Okay.
Okay, we do a little race.
I'm feeling prepared for this one. Okay, so what do we have to do for this one to get it started?
First of all, put on your safety glasses.
Okay.
Because we're going to work with
We
some
can do that
chemicals
for
here.
sure.
And Edith, just add a few drops.
3 is fine.
Okay, and Edith, what are we adding right here? Is this our special mixture?
Well, of course.
Okay.
It's what we call a universal indicator that tells us what pH something is at.
Okay.
And it'll change color as the pH changes.
Okay.
And
Keep adding there until we get a color.
Couple more drops of that. All right, I'm seeing a little bit of a color change here.
we brought the concentrated stuff today, so we shouldn't have to add as many drops.
Okay.
Or maybe a little bit more.
It looks like it's turning a slight bluish.
Bluish
tint.
green, there you go.
Okay.
Yep, now you can see it.
There we go.
It's hard to see against the orange background. We normally do it against a white.
Okay.
And so this is going to detect the presence of an acid or a base. Is that correct?
Correct? And when
Okay.
it's bluish green, it's basic.
All right. So I think we're set there.
Okay.
So Chris,
now,
here's the
we
deal.
need the manual labor for this part then,
We
from
do.
what I understand.
So
Okay.
go ahead and take your straw.
Choose
open
my
her up.
weapon.
All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to exhale and make bubbles in the solution here.
This is easy. I do this every day at dinner and my wife yells at me.
All right. So we're going to see if this will change color, and we're going to see. We'll do a little race here. Who can
Okay.
change first?
Okay.
You ready?
I don't know. Chris is winning. Yep. Yellow. The winner is.
But I was close. I was
So
close.
they turned yellow. Okay. Edith, what is going on right here? Scientifically speaking, we had a mixture in here that was a different color, and visually it's changed.
Right. As you've exhaled the carbon dioxide, you've actually created an acid as it reacts with the water.
Okay.
And now you have gone from a basic to an acidic solution, and that's why the color changed to
So
yellow.
it goes to be with the basic principles that humans breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, and then there's that reaction that actually goes on right inside the glass.
I'm not satisfied with just one trial. We need to try this again.
Okay, as a true science man would speak of, we need to try it again. All right, what are we going to do with step number 2 then?
Well, this is the magic liquid that takes it all back to where it needs to be.
That's
So
what I
if you'll
love about
stir.
science. Everything is magic. Perfect.
See? Same liquid, 2 different colors. How about that?
All right, what just happened here now?
I don't know.
You're
but
going to have to trust
We're
me
going to have to
because
trust.
Okay, we could do that.
Now blow.
We go round number 2?
Yep.
it's getting lighter. Yours isn't changing, Carl. I don't know. Keep going. Yep. Well, looky there.
I'm
sorry.
going to have to say I won that time.
All right, so it goes back to yellow then.
Right.
Yours
And
is
mine's a
still
little stained with
It's
the...
starting to turn now.
Okay, starting
Okay.
to turn right now.
It
as the
was
carbon
actually a
dioxide.
rigged race.
I was rigged to fail?
No, actually,
Okay.
he was rigged to fail, but
Oh,
he blew
okay.
harder. So, what we actually added were 2 different substances.
Okay.
Yours was a base, a concentrated base that we added. That's why yours went to pink purple.
Okay.
We actually pushed your pH up higher. In his, we put in sodium carbonate, bicarbonate mixture, which creates a buffer, and it's supposed to hold a constant pH.
Okay.
But because he's such an amazing exhaler,
Blowing
he
out
was
some of
able
that.
to.
I would expect it from such a wonderful scientist to be able to perform to that level. Absolutely. So, very interesting experiment.
But that idea of buffering is important, right?
It's very important.
Biological systems as
Yes.
well?
The pH of your body is normally between 7.35 and 7.45,
Okay.
which is a very tight range. And if you go below that or above that, you can get very sick. And if you drop below 6.8 or go above 7.8, you can actually die from it.
Really?
So diabetics, if they start building up certain compounds in their body, they can go into what's called acidosis.
Okay.
Their breath smells, it changes. and they know that they need to go see a doctor immediately.
Very interesting. So applications to the human health and everything that goes on
Very
around us on a daily basis. Edith, thank you so
My
much.
pleasure.
Carl, good race, and sorry that you were rigged on that one there.
That's
It's
all right.
part of science, all in the name of science, I guess.
As long
today.
as you come down on Saturday to check out all the cool chemistry stuff, because lots of fun things we're doing.
You guys are loaded up every single
Absolutely.
weekend with wonderful events. All right, thank you guys both so much. Tina, science, who knew it could be so much